Welcome all to another episode of IDK Show Me How, brought to you by your local SPH Tech Jamal Douglas. Today we're going to be talking about something really cool, something I think can help a lot of people. It's about PowerPoint and how to get your video to play every single time. What we're going to start with is what we need. And we're going to need a couple things. We're going to need a video file, and preferably in MP4 format. Some people call it MPEG 4. We have one of those. But if we don't have it in the correct format, one thing we can do is we can go to a site called zamzar.com. And what Zamzar is a free file conversion website. What we click on is conversion types up here at the top, then video formats, and we choose the video format we have it in and the one we want to convert it to. But we already have it in the right format, so we don't need that. Now let's open our PowerPoint to a blank page. And what a lot of people miss is that this little tab up here called Developer is not usually in PowerPoint. We have to actually add it. So what we do when we add it is we go to File, we go to Option, then we go to Customize Ribbon, and we click on the Developer button. Because you can see it's already checked, so we can continue. Now, when we go to Developer, we're going to use this tool right here called More Controls. When we click on that, a little box will pop up, and we go all the way down to the bottom where we find Windows Media Player. And then we click OK. And it actually lets us draw out our own little Windows Media Player box. So once we've got that there, the next thing we have to do is right-click on that box, go to a tab called Property Sheet, and we're going to enter the URL of where the video file is on the computer. Now, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and transfer the video file to whatever computer I'm using. I don't like to use a jump drive. I like to make sure it's on the computer so it reads straight from that computer, and you don't have to deal with any third-party, anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and open up a file folder or a browser. We're going to go to the desktop and we're going to right click on our video file. Go to Properties, and when we go to Details, it actually shows us the path. Now this isn't the full path. I go ahead and type this in from C:, blah 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 all the way to desktop, and I type that in, under this property sheet. We go ahead and type that in, and we actually also add the name of the video and the file type, which is MP4. Already got that done here. So as you can see, when we go to this property sheet, everything is typed in correctly. Now we'll go to Slideshow and watch our video play. And success.
In this lesson, I want to build an entire HTML5 web page from beginning to end.